Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I completed this look, then keep on watching and you guys are gonna see a lot of unattractive angles of me. So let's get to cracking. All the materials that I use, I'm gonna let you guys know right now real quick, okay? So I use the Skin Illustrator's FX palettes in cuts, scrapes, and scabs. This just shows a man. Damn. You guys, the shades that I did use, I used rice paper, neutral. I definitely used the complexions. I went in with red rum first. I used my Prosade, my Alcone Prosade. Used my Alcone 99% alcohol. I went in with my blood sugar palette from Jeffree Star, Fresh Me Cherry Soda, and just a hint of extraction. The Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. This is the one that I use. I use Black Rainbow eyeshadow to put all over my body. China White I used big time. And yeah. Oh, and then I used the Stiletto Maybelline liner to add this because I knew this has like a satin finish. That's pretty much what I use. So, hi, I'm coming to you with only eyeliner on and mascara. It's Saturday night. And this is what I do when I don't have plans. Sorry, I've been craving a beer. I haven't had a beer in like forever. Let's get started. Just picking out mahar for now. Yo, I look crazy. Let's do this. I don't even know where to start on this. Okay guys, so the first thing I did is I grabbed my Urban Decay liner. I don't know why, because I'm mad bougie. That's really expensive for no reason. Yeah, guys can grab a milk liner or whatever you have to just map out in general what you're gonna do. For me, example, I wanted to start off with my eye because, you know, you gotta start somewhere. That's what I chose. All right, once you do that, then you're gonna go for the other eye. And then you're just gonna go for the mouth, you know, just find a reference picture. Or, you know, you can just wing it. Do you, whatever makes you happy, whatever floats your boat. I chose to do both, to look at a reference picture and then just freestyle. Why not, right? Life is too short. Anyway, so I found that it was easier to start from one end to then go to the other end. And that's what you see me doing here, because all I have to do is just add a little tooth and then, you know, just slowly go for it. And as you see, I'm trying to find another reference picture because I couldn't get the bottom tooth to work quietly in my favor, so I had to like retry a couple times. So therefore I just did my own thing at this point. I'm back at it again, you know, casually, just covering myself up in the camera. That means low-key I'm scared of you guys. It seems that way with the lack of uploads I've been doing. Sorry about that again for the millionth time. Like I tell my cousin all the time, just love me. Awkward transition, now on to the next step. At this point, I just took a cotton ball, I unraveled it, took a piece out as you saw, and I left it to the side. Now I grabbed a brush and I dipped my brush into a form of a glue. This glue I use is the liquid latex, but better. It's Prosade. Prosade's just stronger and I feel like it's more heavy duty. So at this point, I'm just using the Prosade as I would with liquid latex, which is just shaping it, styling it, and of course just adhering pieces to each other. On a side note, Prosade is different consistency than liquid latex, therefore it does take longer to dry. Just throwing that out there. Got my little reference. Now we're gonna move on, and I'm just showing you how I grabbed the cotton ball, how I stretched it out and rolled it, and then that's how I placed it on my face to get a bigger piece. Moving on to the next step. Your girl didn't have black face paint, so your girl had to be resourceful. I turned, and the first palette I saw was my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. I opened it up and I saw Black Rainbow and I was like, that'll do, pig. That'll do. And I went ahead and just covered it, and since it has different specs of different colors, like, he just gave it a little extra something to stare at. So at this point, I went in with my alcohol activated paints, which is my Skin Illustrator palette in Cuts, Scrapes, and Scabs. I went in with the yellow, and I went in on the regular Onset palette and mixed in with rice paper just to create that just base color for the tooth. And later on in the video, I did go and lightened it with the white off the Scrapes palette and then back into the regular Onset palette. I know it's a lot of back and forth with the natural. Talking about going back and forth, I use blood tone and aged blood with a combination of black for the tongue, just using that as the base. Now, of course, moving forward, I did reinforce it with the blood sugar palette. I used Prick Cherry Soda, mostly fresh meat, and then just a hint of extractions here and there. I went ahead and added some whites to give highlight on the tongue. The next step is I grabbed my Maybelline Line Studio eyeliner and I went ahead and added some veins all over my body, my face, did some last minute touch-ups, and boom! Hey guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to Team Rebs. I promise I'm going to be posting more. I'm trying to get my life together. I still have so many videos that I want to post that I still haven't edited at all. I know, I'm slacking. I feel like I say that every time that I'm on here. But regardless of the fact, yeah, guys are getting it soon. Go ahead, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, do all of the things you guys need to do to make sure you have a great life. Yo, why am I so over dramatic?
If you guys gonna recreate this, I'm gonna give you a couple tips. One, if you're gonna be wearing makeup, you're gonna feel that you're wearing this makeup, bro. So you gotta be prepared for what's gonna happen because it is deep and it took forever. Forever. Stand, son. Listen, man, dad isn't mad, but how you gonna name yourself after a damn gun and have a man bun? Who have to give my Venom? I was interrupted while filming this video with a FaceTime call. So there's going to be a little gap in between the video. And it's probably going to go from one thing to then like